Alright, today we're going to do a grinding session with some popcorn. I'm going to turn it into a corn flour for some waffles that I want to make. I want to change my wheat waffles a little bit, add a little bit of corn flavor to it, and I'm going to start out by using some popcorn, whole kernel popcorn. I'm going to make it nice and fresh. And I'm going to start doing that with 2 or 3 cups of popcorn. Yeah, 2 cups of popcorn will be just fine for my recipe. And this is going to be fairly easy for the machine. It's going to be a high-speed operation. I'll reverse it a couple times just to get it going. And just let it go. Now this is going to be extremely loud. If you do it, especially in one of these stainless steel Vitamixes, even in a modern Vitamix with the dry container, it's going to be pretty loud. Popcorn is a really hard grain to break down, but it quiets down after a minute. I'm going to grind this for about probably 1 to 2 minutes, and that'll be it. It should be a nice corn flour. I'm just going to set a timer here. I'm setting a timer on my my perfect blend scale, just so I don't overblend my. That way I don't overwork the machine. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. High speed. We're clamped up. Here we go. It's already hot and steamy in there. The container's hot to the touch. Okay, we are done with making flour from cornmeal, from popcorn, excuse me. So you can see that it's very hot and steamy in there. It's because there's a lot of moisture in popcorn. Oh yeah, you can see the steam coming out of here. I hope you can see it anyway in the video. But yep, that is going to be my corn flour for my waffles. Now, this will be a little bit clumpy because of the moisture. Just knock it around a little bit. I made quite a bit of this. I made 2 cups, which is actually plenty for a couple of batches of corn waffles. It's gonna be like a mix of corn and whole wheat waffles. Wow, this stuff is really milled down real nice. It's actually clumped up on the bottom. All that moisture. Yeah, see that? The moisture is, but it's really fine. Definitely is gonna make a nice flavorful breakfast for me today. And I definitely have enough for quite a bit. All right, so that's basically how you grind popcorn into a corn flour. That took about 2 minutes. And you can make whatever you want to make. You can make, you can do the same thing with whole wheat berries and things like that, and make any kind of corn, any kind of meal or flour or whatever. Flaxseed, you can do that with flaxseed. And it's very simple with a Vitamix machine, especially these old stainless steel ones. They just never die. All right, that's it for this video.